Yo, what up? So we're going to a bike show today, but we down 2 bikes, so we ain't riding. But we're going with Ray and Chuck. They're taking a car. So Ray was like, hey, why don't you ride with us? I'm like, hell yeah, bro, let's do it. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go, man. We're gonna have some fun, dude. Hand update. Still poofy, still bruised, but it's getting better. Ow. So, all right, yeah, as soon as they get here, we'll head out. Hell yeah, dude. It's gonna be fun. What's up, dude? Yeah, bro. We doing this shit, bro. We're gonna go get Chuck. We're going to the show. This guy, who is this maniac? I know who he is. Look at this guy. Look at this. Dude, what's it? Look, is this dude? Oh my God, dude. I love it. Wow. Oh my God. Dude. Oh, he's got the cool taillights and all. Dude.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, turn it, spin it. Oh yeah, spin it.
You want to spin that?
Oh, spin it. Dude, yeah, dude. Your car's got Wi-Fi. Ray's shit got dial-up.
That's my damn Yahoo internet.
Somebody else must have picked a radio station today.
Well, I knew.
Me? No, you can put whatever, man.
I knew Highway Assassin was getting in the truck.
Let me drive.
No, I want to get there in one piece.
I'll show you how to split lanes in this motherfucker. Look at this thing. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Look at the boys, dude. What's up, dude?
How are you?
Yo, man. Pretty good, bro.
When did you come?
What's up, dude? Tell everybody your name, man.
I'm Jay.
Yeah,
Nice
dude.
to meet you, man.
Yeah, dude. My boy, dude. This guy's the shit, dude. I see him all the time, man. He's awesome. Hell yeah. Oh, shit, dude. That shit smells good, dude. Shake this bag, dude. Ooh, bro. Checker. Bro, I love the color of that bike. I love that color. That whole color scheme is so cool, man.
Thank you.
Did you do that, or is it like it's?
No, I bought it like.
It's yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, yeah. What's up? What's up? Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. The 5-lane, the R1. Dude, oh, it's R7. Oh well, it's still badass. I know you, bro. We rode together before. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, bro. right, I guess it's time to get out of here. Wasn't really as big as we thought, but it's cool, man. This was fun, dude. I had a blast. Yeah, dude, kicking it with Dirty Ray and the boys. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, wait, gotta roll down. There we go. Yeah, dude. All right. Oh, gotta double click. There it goes. Yeah, dude. All right, we home. Yo, today was fun, man. That was Ray, Chuck, and Chief. And them dudes are good people, man. It was cool. We had a good time. That bike show wasn't as big as we thought it was going to be, but you never know what you're going to see when you show up somewhere, so it was still pretty cool. There's some cool shit out there. What's up, guys? Welcome to the only moto vlog channel where the guy does not have a motorcycle. All right, I love you guys. Till next time.